Don't throw away an empty ketchup bottle. It has a brilliant use in the kitchen that greatly facilitates cooking. Its shape and the materials it's made of have fantastic functions. Tossing it into the trash is a mistake. When the ketchup is finished, unscrew the cap and thoroughly wash its interior. Then, prepare a blender pitcher. Peel a banana and break it into smaller pieces, then toss it into the blender. Add 4 tablespoons of flour. Prepare a small package of vanilla cream cheese. Finally, crack 2 eggs into the mixture. Blend everything into a smooth batter. Then, transfer it into the ketchup bottle. Finally, screw on the cap. The ketchup cap has a larger opening than other sauces. This is important because it's great for portioning small pancakes. Just squeeze the batter onto a heated pan. Without mess, you can make perfect mini pancakes. My kids love them. If you don't use all the batter, just close the bottle and put it in the fridge. The kitchen stays clean. Making pancakes using a ketchup bottle is pure pleasure. I put it in the molehill, and the moles flee from the garden. Just 2 things are enough to keep them away. When you see molehills, act immediately. First, grab an empty plastic bottle. You'll also need a drill and a stick. Use the drill to make a hole at the bottom of the bottle so the stick can pass through and hold it in place. Next, take a marker and draw 4 rectangles on the bottle, leaving one long side uncut. These will be your cutting lines. Use a utility knife or scissors to cut along the lines. Fold the cutout rectangles outward as shown in the video. Press them at the base so they don't bend back into place. Now, insert the stick through the hole at the bottom of the bottle, and you're ready to go to the garden. When you open a molehill, you'll see a tunnel inside. Brush your dog and collect the fur. Don't throw it away. Instead, place some in each molehill. Moles avoid dogs, and the scent of fur will keep them away. Additionally, use the bottle. When the wind blows, it spins and makes noise. Placed in the molehill, it will scare the moles away. This simple trick will help you get rid of moles in your garden. My husband, who's a gardener, showed me this amazing trick. Take a regular 5-liter water container and use a drill to make a small hole in the side. Then insert a plastic straw into the hole. Place the container where you want it and tilt the straw downward. Water will start flowing out. If you want to stop the stream, just turn the straw upward. It works like a tap. Such a brilliant way to wash your hands anywhere in the garden. Use a plastic bottle if you want your flowers to grow like crazy. Instead of throwing it away, repurpose it for your plants. First, take an empty plastic bottle and cut off the top and bottom. Then, cut the remaining tube lengthwise with scissors. Gently wrap the bottle around the stem of your orchid and secure it with tape. This creates a protective barrier that helps retain moisture and strengthens the plant. Fill the plastic shield with orchid-friendly substrate to provide essential nutrients to the roots. Remember to water regularly, but avoid overwatering. Orchids thrive best with light misting. Use a spray bottle to maintain the perfect moisture level without drowning the roots. This simple trick will make your orchids healthier and more vibrant, adding beauty to your home or garden. Plus, the plastic shield can help protect the plant from pests and excessive drying. Try this hack and enjoy the amazing results. Put this by your front door and your problem will be gone faster than you think. No other method works quite as well as this one. This clever trick is truly irreplaceable. All you need is a regular plastic bottle, preferably a large one, like the kind used for water or soft drinks. Tear off a few strips of aluminum foil and roll them into small balls. The foil is the key ingredient in this trick. Next, fill the bottle with water, about 2/3 full. Drop in the foil balls and tightly close the bottle with a standard cap. That's it. The bottle may look simple, but believe me, it works wonders. It acts like an invisible barrier. Just place it near your front door, along the side of your house, on your porch, or even in the garden. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, effectively scares away unwanted animals. Stray cats, dogs, and even wild animals like deer will steer clear of your home. This method is perfect if you live in the countryside or near the woods. No chemicals, no special tools, just a simple, effective, and free solution. Gardeners can water their flowers this way. When I learned this trick, I started using it myself. It saves me a lot of time. Take a regular plastic bottle and use a heated tool to make small holes in the bottom. These little openings make a big difference. This simple trick gives even the cheapest bottle a new use. Make a hole in the cap as well, just big enough to fit the end of a garden hose. The bottle is now ready. In the garden, insert the hose so that the tip reaches the very bottom of the bottle. Then, turn on the water. This setup is perfect for watering. Start watering your plants, and you'll immediately see the stream flow like a mini waterfall. It lets you water faster, cover more ground, and skip constant trips to refill a watering can. A simple bottle can really make gardening easier. I hang this little gadget on my balcony. I make it entirely by myself. Start by placing eggshells in a small bowl and crushing them into smaller pieces with your fingers. Then take a glass bottle and press its bottom against the shells. As you press, you'll see how finely it breaks them down. Turn the bottle and use the tip for even more precise crushing. Once everything is ready, simply add the crushed shells to your plant. It's a natural boost that helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Eggshells provide valuable minerals like calcium and also act as a natural pest repellent. In just a few minutes, those shells you were going to throw away become the secret to healthier plants. Remember, using this natural fertilizer regularly can improve your plant's health and resistance to disease. Try it once and enjoy a beautiful, chemical-free garden. Pour the contents of this bottle into the toilet. It will be clean and shiny like new. The dirt will disappear. If you also enjoy cleanliness, everything properly disinfected and smelling fresh, then this method is for you. I'll give you a very simple but effective recipe for a mixture that will clean the toilet, sink, and tiles. You'll also get rid of the unpleasant smell from the toilet. Everything in the bathroom will shine and smell pleasant. Pour 1 liter of water into a bowl. The water should be at room temperature. Add 150 milliliters of any dishwashing liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda absorbs unpleasant odors, softens water. It is slightly abrasive, so it effectively removes stains and dirt. It also has bactericidal properties. Also, add 3 teaspoons of hair bleach. It's an oxidizer, but stronger than 3% hydrogen peroxide. It effectively whitens and removes stains. It works great for cleaning ceramic toilets and sinks. Add half a cap of fabric softener. This will make the bathroom smell pleasant. Pour everything into any bottle. I'll use a bottle from a drink and make a hole in the cap, but you can use a spray bottle. Spray the inside of the toilet and scrub. You don't need to use store-bought products. This mixture will last you a long time. Also, clean the sink. Use gloves because of the bleach used. You can also clean the floor and wall tiles with this solution. Everything will be clean and shiny.